Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix this black soap for bright and glowing skin. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for those of you that have been following me, thank you so much. So to get started with today's tutorial, I'm going to be using black soap. Black soap is very good on the skin. It's made with cocoa pot, shea butter, and other natural and local powders. So to get started, I have my black soap measured out, and as you watch on the screen, I'll be displaying the measurements of the ingredient I use. So for this, after cutting my black soap into cubes, as I'm doing at this point, I'm cutting it those ways so that it will be easier for me, and you can grate it as well if you wish, but I'm cutting it into cube with my knife. So after cutting it into cube, the next I'm going to do at this point is to start adding my powders to it. So here's what it looks like. So the first powder I'm going to be adding to this is my powdered milk. You can use goat milk powder if it's available for you, but if it's not, use the normal powdered milk, anyone available will do this job. Then after adding my powdered milk, I'm adding my cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of cinnamon. Then the next I'm adding is bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is very good for the body. It helps clear the skin of any impurity and also helps in glowing the skin. So after my bentonite clay, the next I'm adding is my oatmeal powder. And at this point, I'm adding my rice powder. So there's 2 tablespoons of my rice powder. So after my rice powder, I added my lemon zest powder. All the powders I use for this tutorial are beneficial for the skin. It helps glow and smoothen the skin. And this black soap mixture is very good for kids and also for sensitive skin. At this point, I'm adding my organic honey. Honey is also good on the skin. And the next I'm adding my papaya and carrot oil, which is also good for the skin. So after adding my powders, I'm going to put it on a low heat before adding other ingredients to it. So I'm going to put it on over a low heat. As I'm doing at this point, I'm going to mix gently with my spatula. And here, this is what it looks like. So I'll keep mixing it until I'm sure the black soap melted completely. And this process will also help the powders to infuse in the soap, so that as you use it, it will be very effective on your skin. So I will keep mixing it. This soap is very beneficial, like I mentioned earlier. This black soap mixture helps neutralize free radicals on the surface of the skin and help combat the effect of aging because of the antioxidant property it has. It contains, especially the powders I use, the oatmeal powder, the bentonite clay that helps remove the impurities from the skin, and also the lemon zest. So at this point, I turn off the heat and gently mix it. So the next ingredient I'm adding after turning off the heat and making sure that I've mixed everything together, the powders and the black soap and my oils are completely mixed together. So the next I'm adding is my fragrance. You can use essential oil at this point. I use vanilla fragrance for this. So after adding my fragrance, I'm going to mix it very well to make sure I combine it very well. So at this point, guys, my black soap is ready. And for those of you that have been asking, the previous black soap mist I posted, someone asked if it lathers very well. It lathers very well. And remember, the quantity of oil I use is moderate, so it lathers very well. But when you add more oil compared to the soap, the tendency of it not lathering very well is there. So here is our soap. I'm trying to wash my hands so that you see how well it lathers. This lathers so well and it works very well on the skin. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video. And don't forget to use the comment section. I would love to read your comments, what you think about the soap. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.